Got code P0133? That's your car telling you the upstream oxygen sensor is reacting too slowly. In this video, we'll explain what this code means, what causes it, and how to fix it. What is code P0133? P0133 stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Slow Response, Bank 1 Sensor 1. This refers to the upstream oxygen sensor, the one before the catalytic converter on the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Its job is to send fast, real-time air-fuel ratio data to the engine control unit. But with P0133, the ECU is saying, this sensor is taking too long to respond. What symptoms might you notice? Check engine light, always. Poor fuel economy. Rough idling or sluggish acceleration. Exhaust smell or excessive emissions. Often, no noticeable symptoms at all in early stages. What causes P0133? Common causes of a slow oxygen sensor response include aging O2 sensor, they slow down over time. Exhaust leaks near the sensor. Contaminated sensor, from oil, coolant, or silicone. Wiring issues like corrosion or poor connection. ECU or fuel delivery problems, less common. Here's how to fix it. Inspect the sensor wiring and connector, look for rust, damage, or loose pins. Use a scan tool to monitor live O2 sensor data. A good sensor should rapidly switch between rich and lean, around 0.1 to 0.9 volts. If it's slow or flat, it's likely failing. Check for exhaust leaks upstream of the sensor. If everything looks good, replace the sensor, especially if it's older than 100,000 miles. Clear the code with an OBD2 scanner and test drive. Fixing code P0133 is usually as simple as replacing a worn-out O2 sensor. You'll improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and prevent further engine problems. Found this helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe for more code breakdowns, and let us know which trouble code you'd like us to explain next.